that's weird.
I mean, it's weird. It's
Right.
fun. It's zippy. It's fun. It's just
backwards.
yeah, doesn't fit into the norm.
Way to go. Hey guys, Amanda here with eBike Reviews and Adventures, and today we got a TST group. Not quite sure what that is about, but we got a new TST e-bike, and it's gray, supposedly. Is it gray or is it white? Hey guys, Amanda here with eBike Reviews and Adventures, and today we got this brand new e-bike. It is a TST. We're not super familiar with this company, but we're excited to see what they have to offer, so let's get started. Okie dokie. Yup.
Pretty typical packaging here. I like it when they have these blocks right here on the end to kind of support the wheel. We've been starting to see that more and more often here recently. It looks like it's a white color or something.
Oh, that is something. I wonder if,
Oh,
holy crap.
That's a box inside of a sleeve. That's
Yeah,
cool.
I don't know what that is.
Let's figure that out here momentarily.
Oh, okay.
Oh, charger, pedals over here. Well, that's nice packaging. I like that. There's like some tools right here. And that's derailleur. And we got to put a kickstand on too. So we got a kickstand. Interesting. Got it. She got it. Take that off. We'll get back to that though. No, that's okay. We're gonna. Yeah, we
It broke.
have a broken reflector.
Broke it.
So we'll take it off. All right, so far everything's going just fine here. I mean, the front wheel was one of the easier ones to install. It was a through axle, and everything lined up nice and perfect. It's unfortunate that the front reflector is broken though, but that's okay. And let's see, the kickstand went on nice and easy. Now Amanda's working on some of the remaining packaging material. And as soon as we get that done, we'll continue with assembling the handlebars. Now with that zip tie on there, it's not too easy.
Nope.
Go ahead and cut it. Okay. Starting to get a better look at the bike now. It's not white, it's not gray, it's somewhere in between, so I like that color. Yeah. Yeah. I like it. It's one of these twisty shifter thingies up here. Interesting. All right, we'll see more about this in just a moment.
Oh my gosh. I think it's cross-threading though. So I can't get it. Over here. Ready? Oh, I missed it. Look, it goes. Yeah, it goes there. It's too big. Oh. This one maybe. What? Oh. Yeah. Hi. Hello. Hello. Part. My favorite part. Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's like a little lunch lady hairnet.
Oh no. Hey, maybe the person that assembled this bike was wearing that.
Maybe.
You might want to get it off your head. Yuck.
But wait, there's more.
Woohoo! All right, Amanda, we got this TST Dreamer unboxed, and we ran into a couple of little problems here. The front reflector was broke when we received it, and we had to make quite a bit of adjustment back here, just trying to get the fender to not rub on the tire, because these were bent. So we played with those and got those bent, straightened out. We had to install the derailleur. We had to install the kickstand, of course the pedals, which is pretty common. We had to install the handlebars up here, which is also common. The front tire went on really easily. Oh, you know what? It does look like we need some adjustments there too, because, yeah, look at that front tire, the fender. Yeah. Yeah, so we're gonna have to, and the reason it might be because we attached it up here on the front, which typically we attach it on the back, but we don't have a nut long enough to go all the way through to be able to go through this point, the light, and the fender. So we put it on the front so it would work, because it's a threaded insert here. We could put the screw on either side. But I think we're gonna have to find a longer screw and install it from the back side. That'll shift that fender back a little bit and it might ride upright a little bit better. So that's probably what we're gonna have to do to fix this one. So anyway, you know, from a distance, it's a nice looking bike. I like the color. I like that it's 26 tires. I like that it's got the Chow Yang, you know, brand name tires. The bike rack is a little different. Yeah, it's just a little different. I mean, it's quite small, and it's interesting how it's adjustable, because when you mount it, you can adjust it here. That tells me that this is an aftermarket rack that they purchased in order to assemble the bike. It does not have integrated tail lights, so we just have a reflector back there. This is a large motor. I'll put it on the screen what size it is, so you know what size motor that is. We do have Shimano derailleur, or excuse me, tourney derailleur. We have Shimano gear set there. And moving on up here, this seat is kind of interesting too. Kind of a different design seat. Haven't seen anything quite like that before. A little firm maybe, pretty typical. So we may end up swapping that out for our favorite seat. Moving up here into the cockpit. Oh, here's something. I like that this is recessed to be able to get in there to that lock. That's different. Haven't seen that before. It's a nice design though. Yeah, so I like that. Looks like we plug it in down here at the bottom. And we do have, these are hydraulic brakes, but they're radius. Never heard of that brand before. So suspension forks. Suspension forks are not adjustable, so you get what you get. And moving up here, the thumb grips are kind of nice. They're rubbery, they look nice, but I do prefer the ones with the palm rest. But either way, these are locking in, so they got some nice grips on here. The throttle is right here. I've never seen a throttle like this before. It's a little different. Haven't seen this display before. That's a little different. 5 levels of pedal assist. Yeah. Over here on this side, we have a twisty shifter. Be able to shift our gears. That's a little different too. Not real common, so just be aware of that. Yeah, so impressions are interesting. This is about all I can say for this bike right now. Yeah, I'm not sure what we're going to think about this, but hey, we got it unboxed, right?
Yeah, it was easy.
Yeah, pretty easy. Just a couple extra things we had to assemble, but no big deal there. But we're going to charge up the battery, get this on the road for its first ride, and we'll let you know what we think when we do a full review. Guys, that's going to be it for this video. What do you say, Amanda?
Bye.
Oh boy. So guys, I wish we had gotten this on video, but I just asked Amanda to take it for a quick ride, so she adjusted her seat, hopped on it, and what happened, Amanda?
It made a popping noise, and we went to investigate, and what did we discover?
The whole seat is loose, possibly just needs to be tightened, I guess. Doesn't look like there's anything broke, just, yeah. So, we're seeing a theme here, guys, and we're not too impressed so far. Hey.
Yeah, I'm a little skeptical.
Yeah, we're skeptical. The jury's still out. We're going to try to give this every chance that we can, but yeah, we'll let you know in the next video.
All right. Look out, Toby. Rawr.
Talk to us, Amanda. What do you think?
So you want to be careful when you're pedaling, because when I was taking a little bit of a turn,
You're whacking the front fender
yeah,
there?
I was whacking the fender. Well, I'm not wearing a helmet, so I'm just going to keep it at pedal assist 1.
Good idea.
Not going far, just kind of giving it a little test ride.
Sounds like a good idea.
Ooh. Yeah, for pedal assist 1, it goes pretty quick.
Yeah?
It's about 15 miles an hour is what I got it up to.
That's crazy.
Yeah, just for, yeah.
All right. So it's got some zip. I noticed when you took off quick. So I think this motor was like, I think they had it labeled on here for like 1,400 watts or something. I mean, if that's the case, it's a huge, huge motor. Does it say?
Yeah, we're gonna find out if it rides like a dream or a nightmare. Yeah.
Yeah, that takes off quick.
It's seriously just in pedal assist 1 and I got it up to 19 miles an hour.
That's crazy. All right, let me on it.
Yeah.
Whoa. Holy smokes. And put it in what, 6th gear?
Yeah, holy smokes. That is a zippy bike.
Well, here are my initial thoughts. It's, yeah, it's not programmed correctly at all because pedal assist 1 gets you to the top speed of 20 miles per hour while pedaling. But then when you're using the throttle on pedal assist 1, you still get to the speed of 20 miles an hour. And pushing it up to pedal assist 5, that was cute.
That is adorable.
Putting it up on pedal assist 5 gets you nothing different. So yeah, you get everything on pedal assist 1 no matter what you do.
Yeah, that's weird.
I mean, it's weird. It's
Right.
fun.
Mhm.
It's zippy. It's fun. It's just,
Backwards.
yeah, doesn't fit into the norm.
Way to go. Oops.
So that's nice and powerful. We're gonna have to go see how big that motor is.
Oh man. Yeah, try not to crash in the process, boy, don't you?
Yeah.
Set an example for these young'uns over there.
I mean, this thing wants to jump.
Uh-huh.
You hit the throttle, it wants to jump and go. So I'm not really sure what to think. We'll get back to you. Won't we, Amanda?
Yep, we will.
We'll get back to you.
Yep, like our video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and ride safe.